Really got
What's up, y'all? Good morning, good morning. Check us out. Got my boy.
You know it.
Hey.
I hope y'all got y'all popcorn today.
Yes, sir. So look, bro, finna take me to one of his spots, man. Say he been getting the crappie. His brother been getting them anyway, so you know he can't fish. No, I'm just joking. But yeah.
Fish when they bite.
About to get us some in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, good afternoon, good evening, get all that. About to get us some minutes though. Hit y'all up in a second. Let's go.
Kato, you way too dope, kid.
You ready?
Here you go.
What up? Grab your pole. We here, bro?
We here. We made it fine.
This is the spot over here, man. We out here. Yes, sir. About to get myself together, man. Just show y'all where we at. Hit y'all up when we get set up. Let's go. Hey, good cast, my boy. That's a good cast. Now leave it right there. Don't move around. Just leave it right there. Yeah, so we here, y'all. We in the Seminole. And I'm about to see if I can catch catfish. Got some shrimp. That's Jim Bob's brother down there, so you see him. But let's go down here and officially meet his brother, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. What's up, my boy? How you doing?
What's going on, boy? You all right?
Yes,
Doing
sir.
good?
Yes, sir.
Another day in paradise.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Your brother always talking about your freshwater fishing over here.
Oh, yeah, man. You know, I got to come out here and try to get it in sometime.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You caught anything yet?
I think I got one over here in the bucket. Right after y'all had got here, I believe.
Oh, yeah, he's nice.
Nice
Oh, yeah.
Keeper enough.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Y'all know my saying. Hey, it might not be a slab, but it's damn sure a sandwich, you heard?
Ah, you go with some grits, he good to go.
Yes, sir. All right, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm about to go ahead and get my lines out in the water, man. See y'all in a second. Let's go. There it is. Beautiful sunfish, y'all. And we're using shrimp. That boy beautiful, man. Oh. Dang. Catching nothing, man. Just got that one.
They literally taking it off over here.
Oh, you get bites? All these boppers out here.
Look, bubble bang.
Look, he going right there. He going right now. Yeah, there you go.
Damn. That's like the 5th time in the same spot.
Dang, I ain't never seen nobody get played like that, bro.
Man, I'm trying to tell you, they out here whooping me.
Dang, bro, getting beat up.
Man, they out here whooping me. They're trying.
No, she has one and not. He has one and I have 0.
Oh, okay. You gonna catch something though? I know that's right. You never know.
One was right there.
That man still alive?
Hell no.
Oh.
No, hey, look, if they there, they gonna hit him. As soon as you put him in there. Oh, getting a little nibble. Oh.
There you go. Little bobble bounce.
Yeah, throw that lineman out there, Kyle. See what he gonna do. You know he's still sitting there. Granddad is supposed to join his nephew in the bucket.
Oh, that's right. I know that's right, man.
Yeah.
I see it. We just out here vibing. We might move to a different spot, so stay tuned. All right, y'all. We on to another spot.
Another and another and another again.
You heard? So we about to follow his brother, and we'll hit y'all up when we get to this spot. Yeah, boy. We're here.
It's long. Let's go to your house and put them in the backyard real quick. I ain't gonna lie, bro. If I ain't had to go to their grandma's house, I'd be going right back over there to the lily pad. That's what I was about to say. You don't want to go back over there? I want to, but I gotta go down the road. That'd be the cameraman too if I started.
Hey, what that speck at though? Let's go wrap this thing up.
Yeah. Go show that one little speck of that.
Uncle Jimbo, are you ready?
Sit, please.
Yeah, well,
Keep it on. Look, can I hold it? I'm gonna try to hold
that's
it.
a baby compared to normal size, boy.
Man, you see what bro got, man. You see, bro. Hold up a little high for me. Oh, there it is.
I got the little,
Huh?
got the little speck out here.
Little speck out here, man. You see it.
South Florida, y'all know how we do it out here.
Yes, sir.
Wait, can I hold it?
But look, though, man, listen. I appreciate y'all watching, man. I'm going to see y'all in the kitchen, man. About to go ahead and cook that boy up.
Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, my people. It's the next day, man. Boy, I got his hair done up. But look, though. Remember the speck bro gave us? And that little something that grandma caught?
Yeah, it's so small.
Yeah, fry him whole, my boys. So yeah, we about to take these outside. Go ahead and scale them real quick, and yeah, see y'all in a second. Let's go.
Okay, here's the sunfish. See, kind of yellow shred on the bottom. Hold up, guys. This is how I cut it.
Yes, sir. Gotta hold that head down on that boy. Other way.
So you gotta hold it. Oh, yeah, do it straight. Like that.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, okay. Kinda got it. It's okay, it didn't even hurt that bad.
It just scared you a little bit?
Yeah, kind of. Kind of something like that. So guys, you gotta be careful when you're scratching because you don't want to miss a hole like that scales.
Okay.
So now, that's how you do it. So you have to flip it, scrape it, wash it, and then cook it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You see, I kind of get nervous on the camera.
It's all good.
Yeah, that's okay. It's okay if you're nervous.
What you say?
I said it's okay if you're nervous sometimes.
Yep.
Hold up.
Is your arm getting tired?
Kind of.
You only clean one fish, you already tired, bro? Try to get right here too.
So guys, when you're cooking fish, it has to look like this. Not like this or nothing. Hold up, let me just. Okay.
Gotta do the belly.
Just in case.
Gotta do the bottom of the tail. Hard, do it hard. Push it. No, not pull, push. Like how you been doing it the other way. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Don't go this way. You gotta go this way.
Good, this way.
Yeah. You can put the fork back on your side. Yeah, like that and push it up. And you gotta do the top of the tail.
Hold up.
See that? You gotta be everywhere.
Hold up, I have to check under here.
You did right here? Yes, sir. All right, you ready? All right, man. We'll see y'all in the kitchen, man. Look at my boy. He did good. Hey, tell him we'll see him in the kitchen, son.
Yep, we will see you guys in the kitchen.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. All right, man. So we back in the kitchen. You see, we back in the kitchen.
Let's cut some fish.
So you want to try to cut it, right?
Yeah.
All right. Might be too big for you, but I don't know. But look, my wife got me this right here. I never tried it before. Has anyone ever tried a Cast King fillet knife?
No.
Come in this little pouch right here.
Gotta try it out.
Let's try it. Pull it out for me. Oh yeah, this might be too long, my boy. Look good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it kind of looks good.
Hold on.
Wow.
Cast King. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna try to let him use it, y'all. Hold on real quick. Hey, listen. Gotta be careful with it. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Yes, sir. All right. Now that's cut. Now go through the side. Nice and slow and easy. Cut back and forth. Yep, there it is. Now, right here, cut back and forth. Right here, cut back and forth. All right. Now flip it over. Same thing.
So about right here.
Yep. All right. Now you should be able to pop the head off. Peel it back, like up. No. Up right here. And pull up. Yep, pull that way. Yep, just like that.
This thing too.
Hold on. All right, you throw that garbage. I mean that bowl right there. Yes, sir. All right, man. I'm about to speed this process up. Let's go. Got that water boiling.
Time to pour the grits. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
You gotta be careful with these boys, cause they pop on you. You gonna know it for sure.
You're gonna get messed up.
Well, back up, Jit.
Yeah. So you better back up and be careful.
Keep them things turning. Alright, y'all. When them grits get thick like that, they soak up some of that water. Y'all know they're gonna need some more fluid, some more liquid. I just add a little milk in that boy.
Add that more milk. I gotta add more milk. Milk.
Like, see how creamy it look? Look loose like that. It's gonna thicken up though. Trust me, that boy gonna get thick. Put the top on it.
And then that boy will get thick.
And let that boy sit. I'm about to finish cleaning this fish.
Thick.
Let's go. Alright, yeah. This little joker right here.
Cut like that.
Like that, my boy.
Gotta get the guts out. And don't forget, that called a sunfish.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Let's go.
Get a little Sargento on that boy. I like that.
So I just put them in here.
Sure. Or a bowl, you know, gotta cook them in a bowl.
I'll see it.
Yeah, this knife was a little too long for him to be messing with. So I'm gonna give it a try. Oh snap. Oh yeah. This thing is dangerously sharp. Oh yeah. Very, very, very sharp knife.
Ooh.
Very sharp knife, man. Wow.
Yeah, I'm
Got to
so
test it on
glad.
some sheep head now.
I am so glad I didn't use that.
For real. Yeah, man. Real test gonna be on the sheep head. Let's see how I do on that one. You heard? That's spicy. We only got a little bit left, so
So you better use the rest.
use the rest.
Spice that boy up good.
Spice that boy up good. $88p.
EAP.
That thing already ready. I just add a little enhancement with my seasoning. But that right there, can't go wrong with it. So my boy.
Shake it, shake it. Gotta shake it. Is it the oil or is it the grits?
The water. That's coming off of the pan.
Grits?
No, the pan you gonna put the eggs in. You ready to cook? You gonna make these eggs? You gonna crack them?
Yeah. But I'm about to.
All right. So what did you say we needed for the eggs? You said don't forget what?
Butter.
What is
butter.
what is butter for?
It's for like so it doesn't stick onto the stove.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So it won't stick in the pan.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
So that's why I need some butter.
Okay.
So first, crack it. Open it. And then you just have to throw it in the garbage. So if you got 3, you gotta do the same thing. So first, crack it, open it, and throw it in the trash.
Okay.
Crack it, open it, trash. That's how we do it.
Okay. So you need to wash your hands.
Yeah. And then I'm going to stir it.
Okay. Are you good?
Okay. So you can see these bowl thingies. You can't just leave it like that. So you gotta stir it.
Okay. Got to stir it up.
And you have to break it.
Yes, ma'am. That's how it look like that.
No, you gotta keep on stirring it until it kind of looks like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like that.
Like that?
Mhm.
All right. Okay. Oh, yeah, she ready. sir. All right.
So when you need butter, you have to cut it to about right here.
Use the top. Press down with the top of it, like this. Like that much.
Okay. And then gonna go like that. So kind of go like that.
All right. It's a stool right there. Remember?
Yeah.
But what you gonna do now though?
You have to spread it.
I think it's spread enough.
Get it all the way in the middle. Gotta get it all the way. So until about gets like that.
Okay.
And then now, time for my favorite part. Start pouring it in. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Dad, can you pour some cheese in?
Oh, okay. Hold on, y'all. I like my eggs kind of like that though, a little bit. So mine almost done here. That's the cheese, my boy. Man, jit. I'm about to grab a plate. I like mine like that. Hold on. Just brought that boy closer. Ooh. Listen to it. That thing fresh out the grease. I'm about to get our plate set up. I'll see y'all at the table. Let's go. Hey man, my boy gonna show y'all how he got the table set up.
Yep, I got the table set up. So right here, this is gonna be Dad's space. This is gonna be my space right here. See, I got a napkin right there. Some spoon and knife. Got some spoons, knives, forks. And just looks good. Just looks good. And what you gotta say, Dad?
Getting grandma plate set up and see y'all at the table.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh yeah. What you about to do with that?
I'm gonna go deliver it to Grandma.
Okay, let's go. You want some mustard, Grandma? All right. You want hot sauce on the grits?
Yeah, you know I want some of my.
All right. Let's go. You welcome. Bro, my boy said he ready to eat, man. That boy said he ready to eat.
Another 10 out of 10.
Okay. Hey, so look though, try this. You remember you was talking about this right here? Mm-hmm. Bite it. It's called fish chips. That's what I do, look. That's how you can do it like that. When they small, you can fry them hard, fry them whole. But yep, y'all see it. We just chilling. Eating. My boy prepared this meal for us. Thank you for cooking for me, my boy.
And thank you for cooking. cooking for me too.
Okay. My boy got the table set up. Look, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Show love, be nice to people.
Start calling my phone, fishing and cooking.
Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, say
Wait.
that because it's good.
Oh, yeah. We ain't messing around.
Yeah, we ain't messing around.
We ain't messing around.
No, not today.